to the council members from the community planning.
Sorry.
It's alright.
So, we are here, this is the intercultural stage, and we're just about to have some lovely Bollywood dancers come up. Let's introduce them before they perform. Would you like to come over onto the stage? Hello there, what's your name?
Amrit.
Hello, and how old are you?
Nearly 14.
Nearly 14. And how long have you been Bollywood dancing?
There's another lizard.
Since yesterday?
Like a long time.
I've been waiting for that.
Okay, so we're going to have some lovely music, and you're going to, is there other dancers or is it just you?
It looks old.
Okay, and so your name again? Annette, is that right?
Great.
Right, is that, I hope that's correct. So what we'll do, we'll just move this across.
I wanted to do that weird head thing again.
We're just getting our stage ready for some wonderful Bollywood dancing.
Closest you ever get to
Photographic.
Where's your phone?
Just
Do you?
about ready.
Okay. Yeah, I'll figure buddies.
Okay, Mr.
Apparently he's a
Music
baby.
Please, let's head off to
Yeah.
Bollywood. Miss Pooja.
Well, I would say
Be back, yo.
flash is on.
Y'all ready?